Hey food lovers! Welcome back to PlatterPulse, where quick, easy, and downright delicious recipes come to life. Today, we're making air fryer chicken tenders that are crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and ready in under 15 minutes. Perfect for weeknight dinners, kids' lunches, or even a healthy game day snack. No deep frying, no mess, just golden perfection straight from your air fryer. Let's get cooking. Here's what you'll need for today's recipe: 12 chicken tenders, about 1 1/4 pounds 2 large eggs, beaten 1 teaspoon kosher salt, black pepper. To taste, half a cup of seasoned breadcrumbs, half a cup of seasoned panko breadcrumbs for that extra crunch, olive oil spray, and lemon wedges for serving, because a little citrus at the end makes everything pop. Simple, everyday ingredients. But trust me, the result will make you feel like you've got a chef's secret up your sleeve. Let's start by seasoning our chicken tenders with salt and pepper. Be generous. This is where your flavor journey begins. Seasoning now means every bite will be tasty from the inside out. Give them a little toss so every piece is coated evenly. Now, let's set up our breading station. In one shallow bowl, crack the eggs and give them a good whisk. In another shallow bowl, mix your seasoned breadcrumbs with your seasoned panko. The panko is going to give us that signature crunch you hear in commercials. Dip each chicken tender first into the egg. Let any excess drip off. And then into the breadcrumb mixture. Make sure to coat every side. Then give it a gentle shake to remove any extra crumbs. Place the breaded chicken on a large plate or cutting board. Now here's a little trick. Spray both sides of the chicken generously with olive oil spray. This is what gives them that golden, crispy finish in the air fryer without deep frying. While you're doing that, preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. About 200 degrees Celsius, so it's ready for action. Once your air fryer is nice and hot, it's time to cook. Arrange the chicken tenders in a single layer. You might have to work in batches, depending on your air fryer size. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes on each side. At the halfway mark, flip them over for even cooking. When you pull them out, they should be crispy and golden on the outside, and juicy when you cut into them. Transfer the chicken tenders to a serving plate and don't forget that final touch. Fresh lemon wedges. Squeeze a little over your chicken right before you take a bite, and that fresh acidity will balance out the richness perfectly. These are amazing on their own, but you can also serve them with your favorite dipping sauce: honey mustard, barbecue, ranch, whatever your heart desires. And there you have it. Crispy, golden air fryer chicken tenders made with just a handful of ingredients and in record time. Perfect for busy weeknights, picky eaters, or whenever you're craving something comforting but still light. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to PlatterPulse, and tap the bell so you never miss a quick and delicious idea. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite dipping sauce for chicken tenders? I might just feature it in our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with another flavor-packed recipe.